Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ready to get glowing skin with some amazing Korean home remedies? Let's dive right in. First up, the classic cucumber mask. Cucumber is fantastic for hydrating and soothing the skin. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that help to rejuvenate and refresh your complexion. All you need to do is grate or thinly slice half a cucumber. The process is simple and quick, making it perfect for a busy schedule. Then, apply a thin layer to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows your skin to absorb all the beneficial nutrients. This mask is suitable for most skin types and leaves your skin feeling fresh and revitalized. It's a great way to cool down and pamper yourself. Next, we have the rice water toner and mask. This remedy is a staple in Korean skincare routines. Rice water has been used in Korea for centuries to achieve glowing skin. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that help to brighten and soften the skin. For the toner, boil 1 cup of rice in 3 to 4 cups of water. The starchy water left behind is what you'll use. Let it cool, strain it, and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. This toner can be used daily to refresh and tone your skin. To make the mask, boil 1 cup of rice in 1 cup of water until it's mushy. This creates a thick, nourishing base for the mask. Blend 2 tablespoons of the cooked rice with 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey adds extra moisture and antibacterial properties. Apply it to your face, but don't leave it on too long. Remember to moisturize afterward. This mask can be a bit sticky, so be sure to rinse thoroughly. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week to improve your skin tone and softness. Consistency is key for the best results. Now let's talk about the yogurt and almond mask. This mask is a powerhouse of nutrients. This mask is great for its antibacterial and lightly exfoliating properties. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin. Grind some almonds and mix half a tablespoon of the almond powder with yogurt. The almonds provide a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells. You can add a bit of aloe vera if you like. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. Apply it to your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask will leave your skin feeling super smooth and clean. Your skin will feel super smooth and clean. It's a great way to give your skin a little extra love. For those with acne-prone or sensitive skin, the green tea toner is a must-try. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Steep a green tea bag in boiling water for 5 minutes. This allows the tea to release its beneficial compounds. Let it cool, and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This toner can be used daily to calm and balance your skin. You can also add a bit of aloe vera for extra soothing benefits. This combination is perfect for reducing redness and irritation. This toner is gentle yet effective at calming down inflammation and balancing your skin. It's a great addition to any skincare routine. Before you try any of these remedies, always do a patch test to make sure your skin doesn't react negatively. This step is crucial to avoid any adverse reactions. Avoid any ingredients that cause irritation and always use fresh ingredients. Freshness ensures the effectiveness of the remedies. Make small batches to avoid spoilage and store your toners in the fridge for a longer shelf life. That's all for today. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Incorporate these Korean DIY remedies into your skincare routine and watch your skin transform into a radiant, glowing masterpiece. Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips. Catch you next time. Stay beautiful and take care.